Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housework, and today I am super stoked. I got my portable bandsaw table from Swag Off-Road in the mail yesterday. It came 2 days early. I ordered it. I'm in South Florida. They are in Oregon, and I got it in like 2 days. It came really quickly. The reason I bought this is because I went to Harbor Freight and I got a stellar deal on one of their Bauer portable bandsaws. I saved 45 bucks, so the bandsaw and the blade out the door was $118.19. That's with Florida state tax. Super stoked to have that thing, but when you're doing precision work and you want to make something in your shop, they really need some sort of mounting system and a table to put it in. That's what I bought here from Swag Off-Road, and I'm really excited to put it all together. So today, I am going to put this together and give it a test run. Right here on Housework, let's do it. In order to use the foot pedal, you actually have to zip tie down the trigger. That way when you step on the foot pedal, this will be depressed. I'm gonna use a cool looking black zip tie because I have them, but you could use pretty much anything to do this. So just to recap, I am super impressed with how this thing went together. For the money, you really can't beat the versatility. I gotta throw a big shout out to the guys over at swagoffroad.com. They really created a really cool tool for guys like me who are fabricating in their home garage and don't have a lot of room for a big bandsaw, don't have a lot of space to store things. This is an amazing product. So anyhow, as always, if you see anything in my workshop or anything I use today, including the Swag Off-Road Portaband saw table, there are links down in the description where you can go click through and buy your own. Those links help support my channel, doesn't cost you anything additional, and I really would appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, you should know that I am in the middle of an extensive rebuild on this 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster, and if you click that subscribe button, you can follow along with that project and all the other projects I have going on. My goal is in the next year to reach 100,000 subscribers. Currently I'm at 8,500, so your subscribe counts. Thank you so much for everything you do, all the watches, all the likes, all the subscribes. And as always, my name is Brian House, and this is Housework.